Welcome back to Little Bits of Everything. Subscribe, turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Hoorah!
So I picked up this piece on the side of the road, and when I took it down, I just looked at it and figured out what needed to get done. It was really messed up and banged up and old. It was falling apart, but it does have potential, so that's why I picked it up. And right here on the side, you see it's coming apart. So I used wood glue and my nail gun. And I did sand the entire piece. The top had layers and layers of paint. So what I had to do was scrape off the paint and not sand it because the sanding wasn't working. So I just stripped it all. And I used wood filler for the bottom of the piece and the side wherever there was cracks or holes. And then I sanded everything and put the first layer of paint. And this is the second. And yeah. So I did like the way it came out, and it sold within 2 days.
Subscribe, like, and share.